Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel, Remove, Reuse, Restore. Today I'm excited to show you our fixer-upper house and what we did with our laundry room. These are the laundry room cupboards that I'm going to be doing a stencil treatment on. I've taken off the doors and cleaned them and filled some of the holes, and then I will start the painting. So I was really fortunate that the top hole that was already pre-drilled from the previous hardware worked out, so I just measured for the second one, and there were small pinholes that I filled in with wood filler. I don't know if you can see these little ones, but and we're going to measure for the middle of the stencil. So I've measured the dead center and I've marked it right there. I've done that on all of the cupboards, and then I put the center of the stencil right in the middle, and I also checked measuring from here to the bottom on both sides just to make sure that it is in the center. And now it's time to start painting. So it's late at night when I got started on this, and I didn't have my correct stencil brushes. I'm at my fixer-upper house, so I just improvised. I'm using a foam roller and just dipping it in the paint, and then taking some off before I finish the stencil. So here's what I've got done. It's the next morning. This is what I got done last night, and I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of them. This one you can see is completely done. So I washed my stencil in warm soapy water and scrubbed it, and now it's time to start again. I kept my sponge in a little plastic saran wrap so it didn't dry out. Today's Bible reading is from Psalm 51, 1 through 2. Have mercy on me, O God, according to your steadfast love. According to your abundant mercy, blot out my transgressions. Wash me thoroughly from my iniquity, and cleanse me from my sin. When stenciling, some of the most important things are to make sure your stencil is adhered properly to what you're stenciling on so it doesn't move around, and to make sure that your paintbrush or whatever you're loading your paint onto is dabbed off and doesn't have too many globs of paint on it, or that's going to go underneath the stencil when you're making that motion to get the paint onto the surface. Also, if you're doing a pattern like this where you're overlapping, you want to make sure the paint is dry before you put down the stencil over top of the next section that you're doing that will line up to what you just did. Outside this corner cabinet and laundry sink, there was a large floor-to-ceiling cupboard, but it sat right near the door and it made the room dark and stuffy. So we took that out and we finished the side with a leftover kitchen panel. Remember what the cabinets looked like before? Here's what they look like now. Do you like the stencil that I used, or would you have done something different on your cupboards? Please let me know in the comments below, and if you've enjoyed watching the video, click on the thumbs up. Thanks for watching.